The Aumi Smart Night Light. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. This is the Aumi Smart Night Light. The company sent this out for me to review. You can pick this up online for $50. I have the link in the description below. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on future videos. And give it a thumbs up as well. So let's take a look. This is the Aumi Smart Night Light. Inside it comes with a quick start guide. The light has over 16 million colors, motion detection, a rechargeable battery, and can be used plugged in the wall or unplugged with 16 hours of battery life. Bluetooth technology and works with iOS and Android. It's small in size and has a modern, sleek look. The side is a brushed aluminum finish and the front and back is made of plastic. You can extend and fold the prongs for the outlet, as this can be used plugged in or as a standalone unit. You can see the Aumi branding on the front. The light is fairly small, almost like a hockey puck, just less than 3 inches all around and a little over 1 inch in thickness. To set it up, you will need to download the Aumi app. Pairing is easy, just launch the app and scan for the device, and it will populate the main dashboard. You'll have the option of renaming it by just holding on to the name. When plugged in, it does not take much room on the outlet. You will be able to utilize the other outlets on the wall. The app will let you control and set the brightness and choose from millions of color options. Using it unplugged, you have the flexibility of placing it on a nightstand or even use it as a small reading light. It can last up to 12 hours depending on the brightness before recharging is needed. The light has a schedule feature so you can set the on and off intervals. Also, a built-in motion sensor. If the device senses motion, it will turn on for a set duration that you have chosen. Brightness and color options are selectable for the motion feature as well. I'm waving my hands over the light and the motion detection is pretty responsive. And finally, the light can also be manually turned on and off by just turning the aluminum trim clockwise and counterclockwise. The Aumi Smart Night Light, a modern and sleek looking device. It provides you millions of color options. This light is well built and can be used plugged in or unplugged. The built-in motion sensor and scheduling features are a plus. If you're looking for a smart nightlight, check the Aumi out. If you liked my video, go ahead and hit the like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care everyone.